Hello class. Today we're going to learn about a website that we'll use this year for coding. So the website we're going to go to is REPL.it. REPL.it. I'm doing this one in an incognito window so you can see what it looks like to log in for the first time. So I'm just going to log in. You're going to use your Google account. I'm going to log in with the one I just created. Alright, so the first thing we come to is it says welcome to REPL.it. Explore your new programming environment. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's do the quick start guide. So we got a lot here. It says quick start guide. Welcome to REPL.it. This guide is meant to give you a quick overview of many features of their website. Very excited to introduce you to a new workflow that can change the way you write code. So it's got a whole lot of stuff here. Shows you how to print certain things. Hello world. Adding packages. So it's got a lot of stuff here for us. Let's see. Okay. Let's just go back to the main thing. Let's do start coding now. Okay, so in the start coding now, it gives us a lot of choices here for what language we want to program in. So if you wanted to program in a different language later on in life, or after maybe you want to experiment with some other stuff, you can. We're going to go ahead and start with Python. So when you click this, it brings you to an online compiler. In the top left, it'll give you, like, when you first open one of these, it'll just give a random name to your program. So I don't want to have just a random name for my program, so I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to say variables, or I don't know, first program. Alright, so I renamed this one first program, so this is my first program. And they have features. If you pay for it, you can make your stuff private, but since it's a free account, everything you do is public. So I'm going to push enter, and up here you can see this is my username. Yours is going to have your actual name here, and then on the right it says whatever your name of your program is, but since I just renamed it, it should push enter, and now it changed it. So this says first program, Magnus 3D, which is my character name, and then in here is where you can type your code. So this is called a comment. A comment means it's something you write in your code, so you don't have to, so you can like make notes, like this part of my code is for naming my character or whatever. So notes go here, and then if you're not writing notes, you'll see that this stuff comes up in black, so I can make it a little bit bigger for us so you can see. And maybe not that big. So notes go here, and then your code goes here, so you would say print. Let's see if this works for us. Hello world. And then so I've got my code here, and run. Off on the right hand side is where it's going to process what you've coded, and then the output comes out over here. If you want to change the way your layout is, maybe you don't like it left and right, on the left side you can change how the stuff looks. So instead of side by side, you could do stacked or side by side, or you could change the color. I like the dark theme myself. You can change your font size. And that's about it. I mean, okay, so when you're wanting to turn in your stuff, when you're ready to turn in your program, if I give you an assignment and I ask you to complete it, you're going to go up here to the top, you're going to hit share, and then right here is a link. This is the link you can send to me so I can grade your stuff, or you can share it with other people, or pretty much how you send your code around. There's all other kinds of stuff. You can share it on Facebook, and then okay, so that's pretty much how it works. Have a good day.